This is Project 0352, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 finished to our client's exact specification. 0352 is painted in full gloss Santorini black with black accents. 0352 sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point full external cage, classic front bumper with E.C.D custom steering guard and 2 LED round spot lamps at the rear. Inside, 0352 features a MOMO Prototipo steering wheel with Moal bomber gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Porsche Nappa sand beige leather, stitched together in dark beige. 0352 is powered by our GM 6.2 litre V8 with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches, such as focal sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, wireless charging, and access to further charging points throughout.